everyone, this is MJ Diam again guys. Today I'm gonna show you guys kung paano ba natin i-manage ang ating tax information sa ating Google Adsense. Ayun na naman tayo guys, di ba? Wala na nga tayong kinikita kay YouTube, di ba? Sentimo-sentimo na nga lang, babawasan pa tayo ng tax, di ba? Yun ang masaklap dun guys, kasi kailangan natin yun. So today guys, maraming nagtatanong, maraming mga PM about kung paano nila i-manage yung tax info nila, yung mga information nila sa Google AdSense. Today, I'm gonna show it to you guys step by step, and then I'm gonna using my computer guys. Sana makuha nyo kahit medyo maliliit ang mga letra niya, di ba? And ayan guys, tuloy-tuloy lang guys. Wala na tayong lalong kikitain ito, di ba? Kasi talagang kailangan di ba? Kailangan natin talagang di ba? So, first we gonna do is make sure guys na naka-ready ang inyong TIN ID kasi required to. Either if you don't have any TIN ID, if you have SSID or SS number. Even though wala pa kayong ID, kung may number kayo, okay na yun guys. Number lang naman ang kailangan nila dito sa pag-manage natin ng tax info natin sa Google AdSense. So, ayan nga guys, umpisahan na natin. I will show you step by step using my computer. And ayun nga guys, but before that, this is MJ Diam. Don't forget my red button below and also my notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga tutorials and walang mga kwentang videos. Ayun guys, tara na, samahan nyo ako sa aking screen. So, ayun nga guys, tayo mag-uumpisa guys. Umpisahan na natin. At before that guys, just type Google AdSense. googleadsense.com. Ayan. After typing Google AdSense, ganito yung lalabas. Diba guys? Ganito na yung lalabas. As you can see, nakikita nyo dito, action required. All YouTube creators and partners submit your tax information to ensure that any applicable taxes on your payments are accurate. So, what we gonna do next guys is, i-press natin tong manage tax info. And, ayan, diba? Manage tax info. And then, after that guys, and press natin yung add tax info. After pressing add tax info, talagang kailangan natin to guys. Yung password, kailangan i-verify natin na tayo talaga yun. So, after that guys, na-enter natin guys yung ating password. Just always verify guys na kayo yun, di ba? Kayo ang nag-login ng inyong account. After entering your password, and then you go in, ito ang pagpipilian. Dito, United States Tax Info. To find the right tax form, please answer a few questions first. Diba? Ito guys, what type of account is Mary Jordian? Mary Jordian is my name. So, I choose individual. And then, next. And after that guys, are you a citizen of residence of the United States? Of course, I'm not hindi ako residente ng United States. And I will choose this, no, i-tick ko siya, and then next. After that guys, select the W8 tax form type. We're gonna choose this one guys, based on your previously selected answer, di ba? Ayan. Ito yung pipiliin natin guys, yung W-8BEN, ito. I-tick natin ito. And then, start with W8 green form. Nagkabulol-bulol na sa MJ Diam. So, ayun nga guys, diba? As you can see nga, ngayon guys, diba? Dito sa W8 green tax form, as you can see, makikita nyo ang aking name. And then, yung country of citizenship ko, of course, I will choose Philippines. I will choose Philippines. Philippines, this one, where is Philippines? Ayan, Philippines. And of course yung foreign TIN number natin, yung TIN number natin na naandun sa ID natin, di ba? Yung TIN number na nasa ID natin, i-enter natin yun. I-enter natin yung, ayun. And then, magne-next na tayo. Magne-next. And then, dito guys, sa sa address natin, di ba? Yung permanent residences, address, PO Box, dito ganyan. Yung, i-tick natin ito siya. And then, sa line 1, sa address line 1, kung ano yung address natin doon sa Google AdSense, dapat same sila lahat ng info. Yung mga info mo na andun sa Google AdSense, dapat same sila dito sa pag-manage mo ng iyong tax. So, what I need to do is, pupunta ako sa aking manage settings and then I will take yung address ko. Diba? Yung address ko. Yung address ko is, i-copy-paste ko lang siya. Sorry. Copy-paste ko siya. Copy. And then, balik ako dito sa line 1 ko. Address line 1. Paste ko siya. And then, yung city ko, yung, town and city. My town city is, ayun na guys. Diba? Ayan. Yan ang aking towns. Ang info kasi dito guys sa sa Google AdSense confidential, so tatabunan ko lahat guys, lahat ng mga info. I'm sorry guys kailangan kong gawin yon. So ayun nga guys, 'di ba? And then kailangan yung ating province, 'di ba? Make sure guys kung ano yung province na nakalagay doon sa nyo, yun lang din ang ilagay nyo dito sa inyong tax info. So, diba? And then after that, as the same naman yung permanent address nyo, same naman yung address dito nga sa address doon sa ang ititik nyo din yung postal address is same as permanent residence address. Kung parehas lang yung address nyo doon sa kanina dito sa unang pinilapan nyo. Kung parehas lang siya, i-tick mo na rin to or i-check mo yung postal address is same as permanent resident address. Magne-next na tayo. Tapos after that, magne-next tayo. So, this one, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? Of course, yes. Diba guys? Hindi naman tayo, magkano lang naman kinikita natin sa YouTube, diba? Tapos, kakaltasan tayo ng So, magki-claim tayo ng reduced rate. So, we gonna tick o i-check natin yung yes, and then i-check natin yung resident of a country claiming treaty with diba? And then dito mag-choose tayo. Ayan, hanapin natin yung Philippines since na Philippines ako. Philippines, ayan. Philippines. So dito sa service guys, dito sa service is ayan, diba? AdSense. And dito sa article, yan, article 8 and paragraph 1. Dito sa withholding rate, piliin natin yung 0%. And then, diba, i-tick natin yan lahat. And then, dito sa motion pictures, yan, diba, YouTube, Google Play, i-check natin ito. And then, again, piliin natin yung article 13 and paragraph 2A. Dito naman sa withholding rate, piliin natin yung 15%. Ayan, i-check natin ulit yan. And then here, ayan, i-check natin yan. Ulit dito, piliin natin yung Article 13 and Paragraph 2A. And here, piliin ulit natin yung 15% na reduce rate. So, reduce, diba? Ayan guys. After that, i-check natin to guys. As a tax resident of a country, identified of the tax identity sections, the individual identified, diba? Basahin nyo lang to guys. And then, parang, term nila, diba? Terms and condition, terms of the treaty, and doesn't have the permanent establishment in the US. So, diba? I-check lang natin ito. And then, i-next natin. So, ayun guys. So, waiting, diba? So, after that guys, i-confirm, diba? I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax documents to the best of my knowledge and believe that they are true, correct, and complete. So, i-check natin ito. And then, next, diba? So, as you can see right now, so, are you the person listed in the signature section? Sabi nila kung ikaw ba talaga daw yung taong nasa, yung nag-fill up nito o may-ari nito, diba? Are you the person listed in the signature section, diba? Kung sa'yo ba talaga ang account. So, since na akin ito, so, I will write down my name. Ayan. I-write down ko ang aking name.
And then, yes, I am the person listed as signature section and completing this form of my own, di ba? So, I just put yes. I-check ko siya. And then, next. After this, guys, diba, have the individual of entity identified in the tax identity section perform any activities and services of Google with the US. Of course, i-press natin yung no, diba? I-press natin dito yung no. And then, check ulit natin dito. Then, after, are you providing tax info for a new or existing payments profile that hasn't received payments, or an existing payments profile that has previously received payments? Ang i-check nyo dito, guys, yung una dito, i-check nyo to kung hindi pa kayo nakakatanggap o hindi pa kayo nakakasahod. Dito naman sa pangalawa, if nakakasahod na kayo, guys, nakakasahod na kayo from dito sila. I am providing tax info for a new or existing payments profile that hasn't received payment, yung hindi pa nakakatanggap ng sahod. Dito naman, since nakakatanggap na ako ng sahod, ito yung i-check ko or ipipress ko. And then, check dito. And then, isa-submit ko na siya, guys. Isa-submit ko na siya. Submit. Diba? So, after submitting, guys, diba, nakikita nyo, guys, ang bilis, diba? Approved na ako, diba? Approved na ako. And then, ayun nga, guys, diba? Ganun lang siya kabilis. Ganun lang kabilis ang manage ng inyong tax info kay Google AdSense, diba? So, ayun nga.
So, ayun nga, guys, diba? Ganun lang kabilis ang mag-manage ng inyong tax info kay Google AdSense. Sana nakuha nyo ang aking step by step, diba? Step by step tutorial for today. And once again, guys, this is Anjirayam again, guys. Don't forget my red button below and also my notification bell, diba? Bye!